Tired of your Uber Eats order failing due to payment errors? Let's get this fixed so you can enjoy your meal. First, let's check the basics. Open your Uber Eats app and tap on your profile icon, usually in the top corner, then select Payments. Here, you'll see your saved payment methods. Tap on the card or payment option that's causing issues. Look closely for any expired dates or incorrect card numbers. If you find a mistake, tap Edit and make the necessary corrections. Save your changes and try placing your order again. If your details are correct, but the error persists, try removing the problematic payment method and adding it back. To do this, tap the Remove button next to the payment method and then confirm afterward. Tap Add Payment Method and re-enter all your card details accurately, including the CVV code. Sometimes, the issue isn't with the app, but with your bank. If you've recently updated your billing address or your bank has issued a new card without you realizing, your saved payment information in Uber Eats might be outdated. It's also a good idea to contact your bank to ensure there are no holds or blocks on your account for online transactions. If none of these steps work, consider trying a different payment method, like another credit card, debit card, or even PayPal if available for your region. Get that delicious food on its way.